Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this casserole pasta. I bet you this is delicious and easy to make. Now let's get into the video. First, we'll start by browning our onions. While doing that, we are going to add in our tomatoes. We keep stirring before it's time to add in some chives. This tomato sauce is going to form the base of our pasta dish, so it is important for us to cook it properly. And we can only know if our tomato sauce is properly cooked if it shrinks and changes color. Now we add in some paprika powder, some ginger powder, some white pepper, and some garlic powder. You can choose to use fresh or wet versions of these ingredients. You must not use the powdered version as I'm doing. Lastly, I'm going to throw in some black pepper as well. Hey, are you still watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel? Now is the time to do so. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. Thank you. For proteins, I'm going to use some minced meat from beef. Now we're going to cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes just to make sure that our minced meat is well cooked. The beauty of this dish is that it is nutritionally dense and it is well balanced. I mean, you have all your proteins, your carbs in it, and of course, you know everyone loves pasta. At this point, we'll go ahead to add in some stock powder and some all-purpose seasoning just to give us that taste and extra flavor. Let's not forget to add in a little bit of water, and then we let it cook for about 10 minutes. So now that our sauce is ready, we are going to mix our pasta with our tomato sauce. I'm using a gluten-free pasta made from corn flour. And here I'm just adding my tomato sauce on the pasta and just mixing everything properly so that our pasta soaks up all that tomato sauce. Now it's time to add the icing on the cake. It's time for cheese. Yeah, so we are going to just add on some cheese on top, and yeah, lots and lots of cheese because we like it cheesy. Then we are going to bake it for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. And voila! Look at that, guys. Oh my god, it looked and tasted delicious. Please try this and let me know how it went. I want to know your thoughts in the comment section about this recipe, and if there are any recipes you would like me to try, just drop them there and I will do my best to take the challenge. Thank you all for watching. This was a wonderful experience and I'm hoping that you keep supporting, you keep coming back, and see you in the next one. Bye.